All right, welcome back. Well, we're going to do an unboxing and sort of a initial impression about a new fishing rod that I just got. Stay tuned. All right, well, this is it. I'm trying to open it. You know, these tubes are not the easiest things to open. So we're just going to sort of peel this thing back. There we go. I'm going to open this baby up. Undo it. So this is my extra heavy rod. Something that Cajun doesn't make. So I had to go with another company. And which scares me a little bit because, you know, I just make sure everything's out of there. Everything's out of there. Okay. This one, I've given you guys a hint about, you know, this company. It's called IRod. Now, IRod is down in Thousand Oaks, which was in my neck of the woods when I was down there, actually. But they're Chinese made. And this will be the only rod not an American made for me. So, we're going to check this thing out. So, again, Chinese made. This company is called IRod. Oh, right there, IRod. And let's check it out a little bit. Let's first read. Again, my first IRod. It's my first IRod. So when it comes to fishing rods, your hands tell the story, and that's very true, it says. From the moment you grab hold of an IRod, you can feel the finest technology in the industry at work. This isn't a coincidence or an accident, it says. This happened because these rods were literally designed, tested, created, and used by some of the best pro bass anglers in the world. Each pro designed rods for their strongest techniques, where they incorporated all the fine details that make each IRod perfect for the job. All right. Each pro has put into the designs of the rods. What does this mean to you? It means that IRods are the most technologically advanced and comfortable fishing rods on the market. IRods are bridging the gap between the high cost of technology and affordable ability. We know once you've got an IRod in your hands, you'll feel what we are talking about. Feel one today. Warranty. Every new IRod bass rod is covered by a limited original owner lifetime warranty. So as long as I live, it's covered. Which, you know, you guys know me, I die a lot. So how many lives is it talking about? So, initial impressions. This is their Genesis III rod. This is their extra heavy. Actually, it says medium heavy. Oh, junior swim, which is good. 1 to 4 ounce lure can be casted with this. 12 to 20 pound line. I usually put 30 pound, especially with a 4 ounce on it. It is a split grip, EVA foam, both top and bottom, which is nice. We're going to put, already got it ready. Let's put that on there. I don't know what kind of reel they plan on putting on this. Man, that reel seat's like 8 inches. So, all right, so there we go. Now it's got my Avo Garcia Max Pro on it. We're going to feel it, because it says if you feel it, you're going to like it. So the rod itself is very, 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 very light. For a heavy rod, this is the balance right there. Again, perfect. It is a what length? 7 feet 8 inch rod. This is at least my longest rod. I like they got sort of an unfinished. Man, I hate this autofocus. You guys know that. You guys know I dislike autofocus. So let's go here. Configure video, control. Turn off the autofocus. Come on, there it goes, there it goes. All right, good. I'll tell you, I am just like, my head is spinning today. So, it's called the Junior Swim. They make ones that do 10-ounce baits. The guides are lined up really well. We have double-footed guides. A lot of them, actually. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 double-footed guides on this. That's more than any other rod I got. And then really small, 4 more single-footed guides right down there. And then the end guide, yeah, it looks good. I mean, it's a beautiful rod. Well balanced. I hate this hook keeper, but, you know, c'est la vie. Because I have another rod with this type of hook keeper. You know, sort of a, well, actually this isn't too bad because it is a loop. So you could do it 2 different ways. It's a drop shot hook keeper on it. So the butt is EVA foam all the way down and around. It's tapered. Fully exposed reel seat. This is actually this is a 2-piece reel seat. It's not a 1-piece. So this entire blank here is completely exposed. It's 2 pieces, which is unusual. It's my first rod with a 2-piece reel seat. So it looks nice. And again, this is a Chinese made. It doesn't say anywhere on it, which is fine with me. We've got inserts, so good. It's a nice rod, guys. I mean, I don't know until I cast with it, you know, one of my glide baits, but, you know, this rod, I mean, there you go. Right on the hook keeper, it's balanced with this particular reel, the Avo Garcia Max Pro. So, what do you think? Have any of you guys got an IRod? This is the IRod Genesis III Junior Swim. It's such a long rod. It is such a long rod. So there you go. I think this is the last rod in my quiver. So we'll see how it holds up. I mean, throwing a 4-ounce bait is not an easy task. But the rod feels the rod feels like a 4-ounce rod. It's a very nice, I mean, weighted rod. So anyway, tell me what you think below if you guys have had any experience with IRod. This is the very first Chinese, well, this is my only Chinese made rod that I have in my quiver. Everything else is American made. So tell me what you think. Take care, everybody. Tight lines. Definitely check out that new video. I'm very, very proud of it on inversion. And don't forget, we're coming up on 2,000, and I will not give you a Chinese made rod. The winner will have an American made rod. Take care, everybody.